over here at Colonial Williamsburg. This is the parking lot. There's the visitor center we're walking into. And there's a lot more parking in the back. So you basically park here and then you take the shuttle around town. Okay, we're doing the walking trail because you have to collapse the stroller for the shuttle and we are loaded up. So we decided to walk and this is actually really beautiful. I'm glad we're going this route. We're gonna go under this bridge. Are we losing people already? This is beautiful. Look at this.
Family tour here, Colonial Williamsburg. We parked at the visitor center, and we are walking down to the sites.
The governor's palace. Oh, you guys, look at this water. What? This is so cool. What is that? You guys, where was this? Wow, look at this. I know. Where is our metal detector? This is so pretty.
So this is the walk. It's about 10 minutes. It's a pretty nice walk. It's stroller friendly. We had to walk because the bus. You have to take the stroller.
Look at that swamp water.
You have a lot of stuff in your stroller.
Oh, it is. I didn't even realize it was water.
Just know that
Wow.
you have to collapse your stroller. People are waiting, so we decided to walk.
We're going into the governor's palace.
Wow, we got a huge crack.
The governor. Cool.
Thank you.
Oh.
Our next available tour is 1:15.
I like it. I like that sound. It's coming to my ear.
Go ahead and check it out.
Yeah, what is that sound?
Okay.
Kelly, notice the glass.
This is so cool.
See the glass?
Where's
on all
that
the
sound
buildings?
coming from?
Yeah, all the glasses, is it handmade or something?
Look it.
Wow. What is this? The scullery.
What's the scullery?
It's an extension of the kitchen.
Oh, okay.
Then the lemon juice curdles the cream becomes a sweet foam you eat with a spoon, and then you get to drink the white wine punch at the bottom.
Going into the cellar.
Watch it. Coach White's
We'll be right back.
Coach White. Oh, man.
Whoa. It has beers in it.
Whoa.
Oh, they got all their canned goods here.
Good.
It's not canned goods, so they
It's
got
in
them
there.
in a jar and mason jar. That's the early Bic.
Oh, what?
Bic.
The early.
Silver was money. So you had a couple of spoons in your pocket back then, you go into an establishment.
general port. You can think of the general port kind of like the Supreme.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe.